how the 2026 Corvette ZR1 shakes up the European supercar scene. What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a car that's got the European elite shaking in their bespoke driving shoes, Chevrolet's all-new 2026 Corvette ZR1. For years, names like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche have dominated the supercar world. But the newest ZR1 isn't just playing in their league, it's rewriting the rule book. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the engineering marvels that make the ZR1 a genuine threat to the European establishment. Let's talk about what's lurking under this sculpted hood. The 2026 ZR1 packs a brand new twin turbocharged V8, pushing a mind-bending 1,064 horsepower and 825 pound-feet of torque and a top speed of 233 miles per hour. That's right, folks. Chevy's thrown forced induction into the mix, and it's a game changer. But it's not just about brute force. The lightweight aluminum chassis paired with extensive carbon fiber elements means the ZR1 is both stiff and light, crucial for razor sharp handling. And don't get me started on the active aerodynamics. Chevys use computational fluid dynamics to sculpt every vent, splitter, and wing, giving this car downforce numbers that rival Le Mans prototypes. Magnetic ride control, massive ceramic brakes, and a dual clutch transmission that snaps off shifts in milliseconds. This isn't just Detroit muscle with a fancy badge, it's precision engineering with a rebellious streak. And you want numbers? Here's what the ZR1 brings to the table: 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds, quarter mile in the mid 10s, and a top speed well north of 210 miles per hour. On the Nürburgring, Chevy claims a time that's right in the mix with the fastest Ferraris and Lamborghinis ever made. But it's more than just timesheets. Real world tests show the ZR1's chassis balance and braking performance are on par with the best from Stuttgart and Maranello. The icing on the cake, all this performance is accessible, even on public roads. That's a rare feat. Let's not mince words. The 2026 ZR1 costs less than half of its European rivals, yet it goes toe-to-toe with them on performance, tech, and sheer drama. Ferrari's hybrid V6, Lamborghini's screaming V10, Porsche's turbocharged flat 6, McLaren's plug-in hybrid, all engineering masterpieces. But the ZR1 matches or beats them in raw numbers and sometimes even engagement. Where the ZR1 turns heads is its balance of American muscle and European refinement. It's not just a scorched earth missile. It's a sophisticated, usable supercar that you can take to the track Saturday and drive to work Monday. Inside, the ZR1 is fully modern. There's a customizable digital cockpit, track-ready data logging, and seats that hold you tight whether you're clipping apexes or cruising downtown. Advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise and lane keeping mean you don't have to sacrifice comfort for capability. Unique touches include a heads-up display where wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a performance telemetry app you can access from your phone. Chevy's made sure the tech keeps up with the times and the competition. Perhaps the biggest shockwaves in the market, the ZR1's aggressive pricing and blistering performance have turned heads everywhere. For car enthusiasts, it's proof you don't need a European passport to build a world-class supercar. For the old guard, it's a Walk-Walk-Shang. Chevy's brand perception is rapidly shifting from muscle car legend to cutting-edge innovator. The ZR1 is earning respect, not just in the States, but across the pond, as enthusiasts and critics alike take notice. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Corvette ZR1 isn't just the fastest Corvette ever, it's a bona fide supercar slayer, shaking the foundations of the European establishment. With world beating engineering, a price that blows the competition away, and an attitude all its own, the ZR1 proves that the best still come to play from Detroit. What do you think? Is the ZR1 the greatest American supercar ever? Would you take it over a Ferrari or a Porsche? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives right here on Gearhead Man. Until next time, keep the pedal down.